अच्छा, आजकल ना एक न्यूज़ पूरे सोशल मीडिया पे बहुत फ्लोट कर रही है, स्पेसिफिकली कि जर्मनी है, इंडियन स्टूडेंट को डिपोर्ट कर रहा है। सो आई जस्ट वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि ये न्यूज़ कितनी सच है।
See, there is some obviously reality to the situation, to the news,
Okay.
but obviously consider the fact कि negative news हमेशा positive news से ज़्यादा फैलती है, right? Easily, but it has created a lot of tension in the market, a lot of panic because obviously Indian students who go into Germany and then they're hearing कि students को deport करा जा रहा है, that's going to obviously create a lot of uncertainty, and pretty much it's created a mountain of uncertainty based on nothing because there are no facts behind this. The reality of the situation is कि ये सिर्फ online based models के लिए affect हो रहा है.
मतलब why they are targeting only online students?
See, एक तो let me get so there are three models,
Okay.
right? First one is basically when you go to study, the three models. The first one is a fully offline model,
Okay.
which means सारी classes आपकी in person होंगी.
ठीक है,
Second is an online model, which is all your classes are online.
ठीक है,
जिसके लिए आपको you don't have to go for a student visa, right? Or to Germany, you can study it from your home country.
okay.
And the third is a hybrid model, जहाँ पे 70% of your classes are going to be in person and 30% of them are going to be online. Now,
But इसी के साथ जैसे ऑनलाइन आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि जर्मनी जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, बट स्पेसिफिकली मैंने सुना है कि हाइब्रिड स्टूडेंट्स को भी डिपोर्ट कर रहे हैं।
yeah, there's a lot of cases going on for hybrid. Now, what happens is, like I said, hybrid, में 70% of your classes have to be in person,
Okay.
and 30 can be online. अब होता क्या है, students go there on a visa and they end up treating this hybrid model and pretty much taking it fully, not fully, but 80% आपका offline वो online करने लग जाते हैं. So they turn it around, 70% online, 70% in person को वो 70% online कर लेते हैं. So obviously now consider the fact that according to logic, if Germany is granting you a student visa and you're attending all of your classes online, so फिर it's gonna create a lot of because you're misusing the system, right? You're misusing that visa, so it's gonna create a lot of problems. And ज़्यादातर ये hybrid cases के लिए काफी ज़्यादा है where you misusing the system. That's where this end up.
बट इसी के साथ साथ एक और चीज है कि वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स को डिपोर्ट कर रहे हैं।
Okay, so that is not true. The fact is that in any country, the maximum number of students studying abroad is always been Indians, right? Because Indians make up for the maximum volume of students. So naturally, if there are cases happening, then if the volume of students, Indian students is high, तो ये ज़्यादा cases भी Indian students के साथ हो रहे हैं. But it's not true that it's only specifically for Indians. It's happening to any international student who is misusing the system.
So means this information is not completely
Yeah,
true.
exactly. It's not complete. It's only happening for online-based models and people who are misusing the system.